Hey everybody, welcome back. What you see there is what we're doing next. Stick around, find out, see how it goes, and watch the intro. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around. What you saw at the beginning is what we're working on now. It is an old school Kawasaki Tecate 250 two-stroke engine. We're going to be sandblasting this up, cleaning it up, and customer's going to rebuild it. See how it goes, see what it does. I did start sandblasting on the head there a little bit just to see. It's not going to be a showpiece by any stretch, but it's going to be good, nice, clean finish, ready to make a couple runs here and there. So we're going to powder coat them, clean them up, and give them a starting point to make it look new. So stick around, here we go. Hey everybody, welcome back. We're continuing on with these Kawasaki parts. We're off a Tecate 250. I've got them lightly sandblasted right now to try and get rid of some of the garbage that was on them. Still have a lot of work left to do. I got to clean up around where the crank goes, mask off everything, outgas it, try and sandblast them a little bit better. Once I get them all degreased, outgassed, masked off, all that good stuff. See if I can't make them look a little bit better than they were. So stick around. I'm going to get spraying some cleaner, get them dipped, and hopefully get rid of all the grease, oil, everything that's in there, and get them ready for outgassing. Here we go. Hey everybody, welcome back. We are continuing on with our Kawasaki Tecate parts. I've got them all wiped down, degreased. They're looking a lot cleaner than they were. I just have them in here. I'm going to be outgassing them. See how much I can get them cleaned out. So that's why you don't see anything masked off yet. I'm just going to heat them up, outgas them for a while, because I'm sure there's probably some awful garbage inside that aluminum. So we're going to heat them up, outgas them, take them out, clean them up again, mask them, and then we're going to coat them up. Still got a little bit of work left to do, but we're getting on track to get these looking good. So stick around. I'm going to get some heat on them. I'm going to go work on something else. I've got a set of Mustang rims. Started sandblasting on them yesterday. I got one ready to go. I got 3 more left. And I'm also going to be working on my RX-7 rims. You'll see videos of those as well. Those are a nice 3-piece Simmons rim, made for the first generation RX-7 with the unique bolt pattern for them. But back to this stuff. Let's get some heat on them and start making them look new again, or at least try to. Alright, here we are. I just opened the oven on these parts. They're outgassed now. They were in there for a good hour and a half at 400 degrees. So they should be nice and good to go. I've got some sandblasting left to do on them to clean up some of the mess that came out of the aluminum. And then it'll be good to mask off, get them coated, and see what they look like. So I'm going to let these cool off a bit more. because they're sitting at 400 degrees right now. And we're going to clean them up, get them masked, and we'll go from there. Welcome back. We are just about to spray these Kawasaki parts. As you can see, everything's all masked. You saw me working twice as hard there to mask off everything. I got the plugs all covered. So now we're going to turn around, get them sprayed, see how they look, and then get them back to the customer. So here we go. Time to spray some powder. And there we have it. All sprayed, ready for some powder, ready for some heat. It's cold out here, so I'm going to turn around, turn some heat on, get these baked, and we'll show you the final product here shortly. Don't go anywhere. In the meantime, just go hit that subscribe button. I've got a lot more stuff coming, as I've said in this video and other videos, so if you want to see that stuff too, you know what you got to do. Stick around. And we're back. Gonna show you these Kawasaki parts, which I don't see in the oven anymore. So, where are they? They are over here. As you can see, they're now nice high gloss black. Stuff like this. Kept all the inside clean. Inside the coolant lines. Cylinder head's been kept clean. Spark plug holes clean. Even inside there. All nice, clean. Ready for it to go back together. It's now nice and shiny. Definitely looks better than it did when it got here. Kept all that clean. A lot of work in masking that stuff off, but it's well worth it. Because now customer can come back, pick them up, put it together, and see if it's going to run for them. It was sitting for a while. I did the frame a while back. I Do have a video of that one up there. I'll put a link to the video for the frame, and then we got this. So it'll be as close to seeing the full restoration as possible, I guess. Might see more of it coming. We'll see how it goes, and go from there. So with that, time to get on to doing some more stuff. I started taking apart my rims for the RX-7. We got the barrels there. It's a 3-piece rim. As you can see, I made quite a mess here on the floor with these, but I gotta still open up this one, cut the silicone off from there. We got a centerpiece right over here, ready to go. I got more of them out there, ready to be sandblasted, stripped down, cleaned up, and I'm gonna get started on that RX-7 here a little bit more than I have been, so keep an eye out for that as well. In the meantime, click that subscribe button. Tell me what you think of this job. Let me know what you think about the channel. If there's anything I can do to make it better. If not, click like. Let me know you're still there watching. And until next time, stay warm and keep it loud.